Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 35 Woodman Avenue. Now, this is an extended semi-detached bungalow giving you 2 double bedrooms, a 20-foot lounge dining space, a very impressive 73-foot rear garden with brick-built workshop, plenty of off-road parking to the front with this one, very close to all of your local amenities, and it's offered with no forward chain. This really is the perfect opportunity for you to put your own stamp onto a fantastic bungalow in a wonderful location. So it's got a traditional layout here with the 2 main bedrooms to the front and living space, reception spaces to the rear. We've had a quick glance there at bedrooms number 1 and 2, and of course we've had a good look there at the main family bathroom. Heading through further to the rear of number 35 Woodman Avenue, we open through into that 20-foot lounge dining space. You do have the addition here of the really nice sort of secondary reception space there through, and then of course leading you out into the rear garden where you've got that brick-built workshop. But we're going to continue on and go through and take a look at the kitchen. Now, the kitchen space does give you plenty of room to work with. You've got lots and lots of worktop space, lots and lots of cupboard space there as well, and space underneath the counters for further white goods, but you do have some integrated appliances as it stands. Heading out into the rear garden here, it's a fantastic size. It measures about 73 feet and gives you a really nice open aspect with that brick-built workshop to the rear. So just to recap a few points on the property, this is number 35 Woodman Avenue, an extended semi-detached bungalow with 2 double bedrooms, 20-foot lounge diner, 73-foot rear garden with the workshop, ample off-road parking to the front, very convenient location with amenities nearby, and no forward chain. Really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.